In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can transfer crypto from Etoro to an external wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Now, in order to do this, you will have to download the Ethereum Money app. As you can see, when I click this is actually an app that's made by the same people that make Etoro, and this is basically just an app to help us manage your finances and also our crypto. So you just need to download and open up this app, and from there you can sign in with your Etoro credentials, and from there you will be taken to this cash section, and you want to go to the bottom right corner, click on the crypto. Now, if you've already got some crypto in your Ether wallet, you'll be able to find it in this list here, but if you haven't yet, that you will have to create a wallet and then choose which wallet you want to add. Now, as you can see, I've already got some Bitcoin in my wallet, so let's just say I wanted to transfer this crypto from Ether to a different wallet such as MetaMask. I could go ahead and click on that crypto which I want to send. In this case, that's Bitcoin, and from there we actually have the option to send and receive. However, since we're trying to transfer crypto out of Voro, we're going to choose to send. We then get taken to this page, and we can first enter in the amount of Bitcoin that you want to send, and you can then enter the address. So if you click on this amount section, we can see how much is available just to the bottom right of this section. It tells us we've got about 0.25 worth of Bitcoin. So if I wanted to choose all of that, I can just type that out. So 0.25, and from there we can enter the address as well. Now we can type this out, but what I recommend you do if you can is to click this camera button and allow it to use your camera, and then take a photo of the QR code of your wallet if that is possible. Sometimes this is just not an option, so if that's not an option, you will just have to type out your address manually, or we can copy and paste it from an app, which is the best method, as you don't really want to be typing this out manually, because if you do type a letter wrong, your funds may be lost. Now, once you have typed out an address, you've put the amount of Bitcoin as well, we can go ahead and click on that blue send button to send off our transaction, and as soon as you click that, we'll have successfully transferred crypto from Etoro to a different wallet. So that's how you can transfer crypto from Etoro. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.